Small town, there was a school. This school was big and old. Many kids went there. One day, a new girl came to the school. Her name was Lily. Lily was very quiet. She did not talk much. She always looked sad. Tom, a boy in the school, saw Lily. Tom was kind. He wanted to be friends with Lily. He went to her and said, "Hi, I am Tom. What is your name?" Lily looked at Tom. She smiled a little and said, "I am Lily." Tom asked, "Do you want to play with us?" Lily shook her head. "No, thank you," she said softly. Tom felt sad. He wanted to help Lily. He did not know how. Days passed. Lily was still quiet. One day Tom saw Lily in the library. She was reading a book. Tom went to her. "Hi, Lily," he said. "What are you reading?" Lily showed Tom the book. It was a story about a princess. Tom liked stories too. He sat next to Lily. "I like stories," he said. "Do you want to read together?" Lily nodded. They read the story. Tom noticed something strange. Every time Lily turned a page, she whispered. Tom listened. He heard Lily say, "Help me." Tom was scared. "Lily, did you say something?" he asked. Lily looked at Tom with big eyes. "No," she said. "I did not say anything." Tom was confused. He heard the whisper, but Lily said she did not speak. Tom decided to find out more. Tom and Lily became friends. They read together every day. Tom still heard the whisper. One day Tom asked Lily, "Where do you live?" Lily looked sad. "I live in the old house near the forest," she said. Tom knew the house. It was big and old. People said it was haunted. Tom was curious. He wanted to see the house. "Can I come to your house?" he asked. Lily nodded. "Yes, you can," she said. After school, Tom and Lily went to the old house. It was dark and quiet. The door creaked when they opened it. Inside, it was cold. Tom felt a chill. "Do you live here alone?" Tom asked. Lily shook her head. "No," she said. "I live with my mom, but she is always sick." Tom wanted to see Lily's mom. "Can I meet her?" he asked. Lily looked scared. "No," she said. "She does not like visitors." Tom felt something was wrong. He decided to come back later. Tom could not stop thinking about Lily and the old house. He told his friend Jack about it. Jack was brave. He wanted to help Tom. "Let's go to the house at night," Jack said. "We can find out what is going on." Tom was scared but agreed. That night they went to the old house. It was dark and quiet. They took a flashlight. They entered the house. The floor creaked under their feet. They looked around. They saw a door. It was locked. Tom and Jack tried to open it. Suddenly the door opened by itself. They saw a room. It was full of old things. There was a picture of a woman. She looked like Lily. "Who is she?" Tom asked. Jack looked at the picture. "I don't know," he said, "but she looks like Lily." Suddenly they heard a noise. It was a soft whisper. "Help me," it said. Tom and Jack were scared. They ran out of the house. The next day Tom asked Lily about the woman in the picture. Lily looked sad. "She is my mom," she said. Tom was surprised. "But she looks just like you," he said. Lily nodded. "Yes, everyone says that." Tom wanted to know more. "Why does your mom not like visitors?" he asked. Lily was quiet for a long time. Then she said, "My mom is not well. She stays in her room all the time. She does not want anyone to see her." Tom felt sad for Lily. He wanted to help her. He decided to find out the secret of the old house. That night Tom could not sleep. He kept thinking about Lily and her mom. He decided to go back to the old house. He took his flashlight and went. When he reached the house, it was dark and quiet. He went inside. He went to the secret room. The door was open. He saw the picture of the woman again. Suddenly he heard a cry. It was a soft, sad cry. Tom followed the sound. It led him to another room. The door was locked. Tom knocked on the door. "Who is there?" a voice asked. It was a woman's voice. Tom was scared, but he said, "I am Tom. I am Lily's friend." The door opened slowly. Tom saw a woman. She looked like Lily. She was crying. "Who are you?" Tom asked. The woman said, "I am Lily's mom. I need your help." Tom was confused. "What do you need?" he asked. The woman looked sad. "I am not well," she said. "I need someone to help me." Tom wanted to help. "What can I do?" he asked. The woman said, "You need to find the key to the secret room. It will help me." Tom agreed. He decided to find the key. Tom told Jack about Lily's mom. Jack wanted to help. They decided to find the key. They went to the old house again. They looked everywhere. They could not find the key. Then Tom remembered the picture. He looked behind it. There was a small box. He opened the box. There was a key inside. "Jack, I found it," Tom said. Jack was happy. "Let's go to Lily's mom," he said. They went to the room where Lily's mom was. They showed her the key. Lily's mom looked happy. "Thank you," she said. "Now I can be free." Tom and Jack were confused. "What do you mean?" Tom asked. Lily's mom said, "I have been trapped in this house for a long time. This key will set me free." Tom and Jack used the key to open the door. Suddenly the room was filled with light. Lily's mom smiled. She looked at Tom and Jack. "Thank you," she said. "Now I can rest in peace." Lily's mom disappeared. Tom and Jack were shocked. They did not know what to say. The next day Tom told Lily what happened. Lily looked sad but happy. "Thank you, Tom," she said. "You helped my mom." Tom was confused. "What happened to your mom?" he asked. Lily said, "My mom died a long time ago, in the old house. She needed someone to help her find peace. You and Jack helped her. Now she can rest." Tom was shocked. "But why didn't you tell me before?" he asked. Lily looked down. "I was scared," she said. "I didn't want to lose my only friend." Tom felt sad for Lily. He hugged her. "You won't lose me," he said. "We are friends forever." Lily smiled. For the first time, Tom saw her truly happy. He knew that he had helped her in a big way. A week passed. Things were starting to go back to normal. Tom and Lily spent more time together. One day Tom found a strange letter in his locker. It had no name on it. He opened it and read, "Dear Tom, thank you for helping me. I have one last request. Please take care of Lily. She needs a friend like you. Always be there for her. With gratitude, Lily's mom." Tom felt a chill. He knew it was from Lily's mom. He showed the letter to Jack. Jack was surprised too. "Wow, Tom," Jack said. "This is really special. You must keep this letter safe." Tom nodded. He knew that he had a big responsibility now. He promised himself to always be there for Lily. As time went on, Lily became more open. She talked more and smiled often. She even started playing with the other kids. Everyone liked Lily. They saw how kind and smart she was. Tom and Jack remained her best friends. They always looked out for her. They did many things together, like reading, playing, and exploring. One day, Lily asked Tom, "Do you remember the old house?" Tom nodded. "Yes, I do," he said. "It was a scary time, but we helped your mom." Lily smiled. "I want to show you something," she said. They went back to the old house, but now it looked different. It was clean and bright. The darkness was gone. Lily took Tom to the secret room. "Look," she said. There was a small garden inside the room. Flowers were blooming. "This is my mom's favorite place. I want to take care of it." Tom felt happy. "We will take care of it together," he said. Tom, Lily, and Jack took care of the garden. They planted new flowers and watered them every day. The garden became a beautiful place. It was full of colors and life. One day they found a small box buried in the garden. Inside the box there was a note and a locket. The note said, "To my dear Lily, this locket is for you. It will always keep us connected. I love you forever. Mom." Lily was touched. She wore the locket every day. She felt her mom's love and presence with her. Tom and Jack were happy to see Lily so joyful. The school was planning a big festival. Everyone was excited. There would be games, food, and fun activities. Tom, Lily, and Jack decided to take part in the festival. They set up a small booth to sell flowers from their special garden. Many people came to see the beautiful flowers. They were amazed by the story of the old house and the garden. "These flowers are very special," Lily told everyone. "They remind us of love and friendship." The festival was a big success. Tom, Lily, and Jack were happy. They had fun and made many new friends. Years passed. Tom, Lily, and Jack grew up. They remained best friends. They never forgot the old house and the special garden.